On this channel, we focus on key areas that beginner technicians struggle with grasping when it comes to configuring different functions and features on Mitel products. We guide you in simple and easy steps. Expert technicians also can benefit from different approaches to certain configurations that they already know, thus increasing their knowledge base. We commit to giving you helpful videos all the time. Please subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share for more videos. We are going to end with a disclaimer. This is not an official Mitel training channel, and we recommend you to attend an official Mitel training. We are therefore not responsible for any misinformation or omission thereof or any damage to your product. Keep watching the channel and thank you. On this channel